We are St. Clair Marine because we are about to get our boat out of the water, but first we have to take the mast down, and I'm gonna be filming that, how they do it. Like that we learn what not to do and what to do. Girl with no mast is getting out of the water today, and hopefully we can restore for 2 or 3 years until we get the money to fix it. Hopefully it will be soon. Okay. Vertigo is ready. Yeah, Vertigo is ready to be lifted from the water. And I'm trying to get the best shot here. That's St. Clair Marine. Let's see how it goes. You see, they change. Who changed the instrument? They do it.
They have other people that do that, and then they do the gel coat too. So they don't do none of that shit. They do only this stuff, pretty much. They don't do none of that hard labor.
But because we can do the interior ourselves, then on the heart.
Yeah, I can do the deck too. She says the deck should be an easy thing for us to do as long as they fix the windows and everything. And then we just tape everything off, and then we just grind away, sand away, and we get the deck on me.
Continue with the lift off. There we go. Now it's just gonna get washed off from the bottom. And the bottom is not that bad at all. Look at that. Poor baby is gonna be on the heart 2 years to get fixed. We have to save lots of money to be able to get her done. Look at that. See? Not bad at all. Not bad. Really good. Looking good. Looking really good. Wow. barnacles. And right here, back in the propeller, no, in the rudder.